Are you finding more hair on your pillow than on your head? What if the solution to your hair fall problem isn't in expensive treatments, but in simple, natural remedies you can make at home? Before we dive into these powerful hair growth secrets, drop a comment below and tell me what country you're watching from. Hair loss and hair thinning have become growing concerns for both men and women worldwide. While losing a certain amount of hair daily is completely normal, there's no reason to panic over a few strands. However, when you start noticing multiple strands on your pillow cover, clumps of hair on your brush, or bunches of hair between your fingers when you run them through your scalp, that's when concern is justified. The causes of hair loss are numerous and varied. Dietary choices play a significant role, as does nutrient deficiency. Certain medications can trigger hair fall along with underlying medical conditions that affect hair health. Stress has become one of the leading culprits in modern hair loss cases. Environmental factors like pollution damage hair follicles daily. Genetics also determine hair thickness and growth patterns. For men specifically, wearing caps, hats, or helmets for extended periods can contribute to hair fall by restricting blood flow to the scalp and causing friction damage. Today, we're exploring a holistic approach that addresses hair fall from multiple angles. This comprehensive method doesn't just stop hair loss, it actively promotes new hair growth by nourishing your body from the inside out and treating your scalp with powerful natural ingredients. Homemade hair packs to control hair fall. Homemade hair packs represent one of the most effective ways to improve hair texture, strengthen follicles, and achieve gorgeous, thick hair. Because these ingredients are natural and chemical-free, they help prevent hair loss while increasing hair volume without the harsh side effects of commercial products. The Avocado and Banana Hair Pack. This moisturizing pack works wonders for frizzy, damaged hair that's prone to breakage. Avocados contain high concentrations of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that repairs damage at the cellular level. Bananas are loaded with potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates, and multiple vitamins. Together, these nutrients create a protective barrier around each hair strand, preventing breakage and split ends. Here's how to prepare this nourishing treatment. Take one medium-sized ripe avocado and one small ripe banana. The ripeness is important because ripe fruit has softer texture and higher nutrient availability. Mash them thoroughly using a spoon or fork until you achieve a smooth, lump-free consistency. Next, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to this paste. Olive oil penetrates the hair shaft, delivering moisture deep into each strand. Mix the paste thoroughly until all ingredients are completely blended. Now, section your hair and massage the paste onto your scalp using circular motions. This circular massage technique increases blood flow to your scalp, which carries more nutrients to your hair follicles. Cover both the roots and the tips of your hair, ensuring every strand receives treatment. After 30 to 40 minutes, rinse your hair with lukewarm water. Finish by washing with a mild shampoo to remove any residue. Avoid hot water, as it can strip your hair of its natural oils. The Amla, Shikakai, and Coconut Oil Pack. This traditional remedy prevents hair fall while promoting thick, healthy growth. Amla and Shikakai have been widely used in Indian home remedies and Ayurvedic medicine for centuries, with documented success in treating various hair conditions. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is extraordinarily rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and flavonoids. These compounds work together to promote hair growth by protecting hair follicles from oxidative stress and inflammation. Shikakai, which translates to fruit for hair, strengthens hair roots and cleanses the scalp without stripping natural oils. Coconut oil nourishes each hair follicle individually, creating a protective coating that prevents breakage and moisture loss. To prepare this powerful treatment, take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of amla powder and 1 tablespoon of shikakai powder. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to these powders. Heat this mixture on medium flame, stirring occasionally to prevent burning. Once the mixture has boiled and the powders have infused into the oil, strain the liquid through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. Transfer the infused oil into a bowl and allow it to cool to a lukewarm temperature. Never apply hot oil directly to your scalp, as it can cause burns and damage. Massage this herbal oil into your scalp using gentle circular motions. Cover your entire scalp and work the oil through the length of your hair. You can wash your hair after 1 hour for a quick treatment or leave it overnight for deeper penetration and maximum benefits. When you're ready to wash, use cold or lukewarm water with a mild shampoo. You may need to shampoo twice to completely remove the oil. If you're finding this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to Vigorphil so you never miss our natural health solutions. We're building a community of people who believe in the power of natural remedies. The best oil for strong hair. Warm hair oil massage is a tradition that has been followed for generations, passed down through families as a trusted method for maintaining healthy hair. Among all available oils, Bhringraj oil stands out as one of the most effective treatments for preventing hair fall. Bhringraj oil works through multiple mechanisms to improve hair health. It increases blood flow to the roots by enhancing the vasodilation process, which means it widens the blood vessels in your scalp. This increased blood flow delivers more oxygen and nutrients to your hair follicles. The oil also stimulates hair growth by activating dormant hair follicles, encouraging them to enter the active growth phase. The herb contains several essential minerals and vitamins that actively prevent split ends, hair loss, and breakage. These nutrients include iron, which prevents anemia-related hair loss, magnesium for follicle strength, and calcium for hair structure. Stress ranks as one of the most common reasons for hair loss in modern society. When you experience chronic stress, your body releases hormones that can push hair follicles into a resting phase, causing excessive shedding. Bhringraj oil has a naturally relaxing effect that helps de-stress both your mind and your scalp, creating optimal conditions for hair growth. Before massaging the oil onto your scalp, warm it slightly. You can do this by placing the oil container in a bowl of hot water for a few minutes. Warming the oil helps it penetrate deeper into your scalp, reaching your hair follicles more effectively. Test the temperature on your wrist before applying to your scalp to avoid burns. Gently massage the warm oil into your scalp for 15 minutes using circular motions. This massage time is important because it allows the oil to penetrate while the massage action stimulates blood flow. Leave the oil in your hair for at least 30 minutes, though night treatment provides maximum benefits. When you're ready to wash, use a mild shampoo to remove the oil completely. Hair fall reduction drink. The food we consume has a direct impact on every system in our body, including organ function, blood circulation, nervous system health, and metabolism rate. Since hair follicles depend on nutrients delivered through your bloodstream, your diet directly affects hair health and growth rates. To see visible hair fall reduction results, wellness experts recommend this nutrient-dense drink that supplies your body with all the essential vitamins and minerals needed for healthy hair growth. Here's how to prepare this powerful hair growth drink. Gather 1 medium-sized beetroot, boiled and chopped into pieces. Add 1 small carrot, washed and chopped. Include 2 apples, peeled and chopped. Add 1 small cucumber, peeled and chopped, and 1 small piece of fresh ginger. Blend all these ingredients together until you achieve a thick, smooth juice consistency. Drink this nutritious blend twice per week for optimal results. This juice supplies your body with a concentrated dose of essential nutrients that improve hair health from within. Beetroot increases blood flow to the scalp and contains betaine, which strengthens hair follicles. Carrots provide beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A for healthy sebum production. Apples contain antioxidants that protect hair follicles from damage. Cucumber hydrates and provides silica for hair strength. Ginger improves circulation and has anti-inflammatory properties. If you continue eating unhealthy foods, your hair will lack sufficient nutrients regardless of external treatments. Nutrient-deficient hair becomes dull, prone to breaking, develops split ends, has rough texture, and falls out excessively. These symptoms require internal remedies because they originate from nutritional deficiencies. Your diet must be rich in specific nutrients for optimal hair health. Protein forms the building blocks of hair strands themselves. Iron carries oxygen to hair follicles. Vitamin C helps your body absorb iron and produces collagen for hair structure. Omega-3 fatty acids nourish hair follicles and reduce inflammation. Biotin strengthens hair and improves texture. Vitamin A produces sebum that keeps your scalp healthy. Vitamin E protects hair from oxidative stress. Each of these nutrients plays an essential role in hair growth, nourishing hair cells and enhancing overall hair quality. Include foods like kiwi and oranges for vitamin C. Add avocados for healthy fats and vitamin E. Eat spinach and other leafy vegetables for iron and folate. Consume nuts and seeds for omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E. Choose whole grains for B vitamins and fiber. Eat carrots for beta-carotene. Add flax seeds for omega-3s and lignans. Include quinoa for complete protein and minerals. Make these foods regular parts of your daily diet, and you'll notice improvements in your hair's thickness, shine, and growth rate within weeks. Now is a great time to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We share evidence-based natural health tips that actually work, and our community is growing every day. Physical practices for hair growth. While yoga has traditionally been recommended for hair growth, there are other physical practices that enhance blood flow to the head region. Forward bending movements and inverted positions increase blood flow to the scalp, nourishing and strengthening hair follicles. The roots become stronger and the scalp becomes healthier, preventing hair fall and promoting new growth. Regular physical activity that increases heart rate improves overall circulation, which benefits hair health. Walking, gentle stretching, and breathing exercises all contribute to better blood flow and reduced stress levels. These activities don't require special equipment or training, making them accessible to everyone. Regular practice can help prevent premature graying of hair by ensuring adequate nutrient delivery to hair follicles. The melanocytes, which are the cells that produce hair color, require proper nutrition and blood flow to function optimally. Managing stress for hair health. These tips provide complete care for your hair, increasing volume and bringing bounce back to your strands. However, the underlying factor that ties everything together is stress management. Stress is the main cause of numerous health problems, including hair fall and hair thinning. Learning to work without stress is essential for overall health and hair health. Any task can be completed either with stress or without stress. The work itself remains the same, but your approach determines how it affects your body. When you learn to work without stress, you'll manage your life better and handle problems more effectively. Beyond all the external treatments and dietary suggestions provided here, learning to live stress-free requires personal commitment and practice. Stress triggers hormonal changes that push hair follicles into a resting phase, leading to increased shedding weeks or months after the stressful event. Maintaining a positive perspective. Take care of yourself and try to live positively and happily. If your hair falls out, new hair will grow. When premature graying occurs or immature growth happens, implementing all these natural remedies causes those compromised hairs to fall out. The new, fresh hair that grows back will be healthy, strong, and properly pigmented. You'll notice these positive changes when you commit to the complete approach outlined here. The combination of external treatments, proper nutrition, and stress management create the optimal environment for healthy hair growth. Take charge of your hair health today. Start with 1 or 2 remedies that feel most accessible to you, then gradually incorporate others as they become part of your routine. Consistency matters more than perfection. Even small daily actions compound into significant results over time. Hair health reflects overall body health. When you nourish your body properly, manage stress effectively, and treat your hair with natural, chemical-free products, you create the foundation for thick, strong, beautiful hair. Remember that hair growth takes time. Hair typically grows about ½ an inch per month, so visible improvements require patience and consistency. Don't expect overnight miracles, but do expect steady progress when you follow these natural methods faithfully. The beauty of natural remedies lies in their safety and accessibility.
Unlike harsh chemical treatments that can damage hair and cause side effects, these natural approaches work with your body's own healing mechanisms. They address the root causes of hair loss rather than just masking symptoms. Which of these natural remedies will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Vigorphil for more natural health wisdom. Ring that notification bell so you never miss our latest discoveries in natural wellness.